At least 95% of all the units get a view into the different landscape area. Whether the big main one or the smaller ones, even the smaller ones, some of them have a water feature. So, for example, some of these units, like this and this, the front has pool view and the back also has pool view. That's the interesting part of this development. The unit plans, let me show you the unit plans for the two show unit first. This is the two-bedroom premium. The two-bedroom premium at 81 square meter has a full enclosed kitchen, two proper bathrooms, living, dining, and the master and the proper bedroom. And this is the other one, the 3-bedroom with study. This is the additional study that we enjoy, that has access from the balcony and the master bedroom. 3 full bedrooms with a study and a wide frontage living dining. And the kitchen at the back with another balcony at the back facing, like I said, another landscape area. So that is a very good true ventilation. Normally you find that the kitchen faces the rear of the block with no lighting, very minimal lighting and ventilation. In this case, the kitchen and balcony at the back actually faces an open landscape area. So there is a lot of true ventilation and light and view from the back as well. So imagine you can use this rear balcony as an extension of kitchen or like a breakfast dining area at the back. And the front balcony is for extension of the living space. This is a version of the 3-bedroom that has no study in front, but the rest of the configuration is the same. Note that at the side, you have a proper yard, WC, and the main utility room. Another unique selling unit type will be the dual key. It's actually a 4-bedder with dual key. One side here and the other side is a 1-bedroom configuration. So this side has a 3 bedrooms, this side is 1 bedroom with pantry. Okay, after this I'll show you all the perspective of what it looks like. Because of the unique layout of the blocks and the units, like this, you have a lot of landscape area with a lot of different landscape features which we'll show in the perspective. But before that, maybe I'll let the landscape architect talk about the other landscape features.